Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Living Life with Leticia. So today I am getting ready to do a open box reveal of this Brentwood Frozen Drink Maker. Now, I did not pay for it. However, this was one of the gifts that they gave out at Hard Rock Casino. And so here lately, I've been the recipient of these gifts. So I wanted to use this one because I'm always looking for neat little things to pull out when we have guests. The prices run somewhere between $11 and almost $60. So we get this and I bring it home. Reading is fundamental, and I'm just going to tell y'all, I thought that this was a battery operated for some reason. I don't know why, but I thought, well, it would have been neat if it had been. Now I'm trying to show you that this is why I thought that this is what it was. But it's a cord in there. All you got to do is just read, man. Just read. Anyway, so I'm going to first squeeze these lemons. This is my cup that I found. My mom always had that saying, you're stronger than you think. She said that to me a million times, and I must remember it. And now that I see it, it's in writing. I don't know where she got it from, but she told me that over and over again. But anyway, I am going to juice these lemons. I'm going to make some frozen lemonade. So I thought, well, hey, this is a nice warm day, and today would be the best day to do this, so let's just get it crack-a-lackin'. So I got my lemons all juiced up. I even got some reserve for later on. But in the meantime and in between time, I got a lot of lemon juice. So let's get this going. This does not give you margarita blended kind of ice. Although I'm using crushed ice, it doesn't even tell you to use crushed ice. And I'm using crushed ice, and it still ain't gonna be right. I filled this up to the brim, and here we go, and it's leaking. Now, as I was standing in line waiting on to find out what gift I wanted to get, I heard some people saying, oh, that fountain, that ice frozen thing, it leaks. Well, you know, I should have listened to those ladies. Although they were not talking to me, I should have did my due diligence and just listened to them. With all the ear hustling that I do, I didn't even take their advice. So anyway, it is what it is. I stepped out on faith. I got the Brentwood Frozen Maker, and honey, I'm gonna tell you, it was a letdown. So it leaks. I gotta stand here and I think hold it for the entire time that it's going. If you can see, I'm pointing now to show you this is a real fire hazard, because although it would have been better if it had been battery, maybe, I don't know, but this is a shock hazard, because although this water is coming out, I mean, it's coming from everywhere. I don't even know where it's coming from, but wherever it's coming from, it's coming. And maybe I missed something, but if you look at that, that is not going to give that kind of quality. And I'm giving it a thumbs down, just because I don't think it's going to give that quality of ice, smoothie kind of ice. My Ninja is doing that, and this is not a Ninja. Hunty, please. So I'm going to say, I'm glad I did not purchase this. I would have been very highly upset had I spent my money on this, but that I spent my time on, I did spend some time trying to get this darn thing, and I'm sure I spent some money. You know, they make you think you're getting free gifts, but child, honey, please, you done spent 3 or 4, 5, 10 times what this mess is worth. And if it's only worth up to $60, I could have bought about 16 or 20 of them. Just saying. Anyway, that ain't even the point. The point is, this mess is mess. Do not purchase it. Don't even get it for free. I'm going to say that's my take on this Brentwood frozen thing. It's still leaking and there's nothing in it. And I've emptied it, and it's still leaking. I could not stop it from leaking. If it's free. But anyway, I would say no. Just don't even waste your time. Don't waste your time. It's not worth it. Just go pull out your Ninja, grind you up some ice, get your margarita style smoothie or frozen lemonade or whatever it is you want. You can make it yourself. You don't need this device to do that with. So you guys take your chances. I'd say no, thumbs down for me. But you guys be blessed and be a blessing. And I'll be back with more open box reviews. Bye.